last three. The game in St. Louis, 5 innings, 8 hits, 6 runs allowed. And as I mentioned prior to that, he had been on quite a roll, including a dandy in Chicago, and I think that bothered him a little bit.
He opens with a K. Torres caught looking. Hefner has 1 hit, and it's a homer. He taps one, and there's Harrell over to first. And it's no runs, no hits, 2 men left. Ooh, nice movement twice in his career. Just off the plate. Oh no, it came back.
You got him with a high cheese. Speaking of the cheeseburger. Yeah, but that time Chris Snyder was the man that was up there. Now we'll see you later on this course. Didn't get him the first time, but got him the second time. So.
Swing and a miss there by Murphy for strikeout number 6 for Harrell. Struck him out. That's number 7. And it is a pitcher's duel here. Off the end of the bat, it rolls out to second. There's a quick release for Marwin Gonzalez. And that's 12 straight outs for Lucas Harrell. The Mets lead it through 7, 1-0.